Good morning, children. Welcome to class 5 social studies. Previous class I have explained the question answer of chapter 1. I hope all of you learned the question answer. Then new words of chapter 1 you have to learn. Some definitions I have given already. Then tick the correct option. Also you learn, okay? In early times, man was dash. Man was hunter gatherer. Dash was widely used to make tools. Flint. Discovery of dash was a great achievement. Fire. Then tick the activities performed by early humans, that also you learn, okay? Then these are all in this chapter. Then next is chapter 2. Today we will explain the chapter 2 question answers, okay? Answer the following questions. Highlight the main features of the Paleolithic period. What are the main features of Paleolithic period? So we have learned some main features. Now Paleolithic period is also known as Old Stone Age. In this period there was development of most primitive tools. Then early men gathered plants, fruits, seeds and hunted wild animals. They made hand axes, crafters, wooden spears which were used for hunting, gathering. They lived in caves, huts and skin tents. Okay, these are the main features of the Paleolithic period. At least 3 sentences you have to write. What are the main features of the highlight the main features of the Paleolithic period. So what you will write? Paleolithic period is otherwise known as the Old Stone Age. Then in this period there was a development of most primitive stone tools. Then you can write this the early men gathered in this period. In this Paleolithic period, people gathered plants, fruits, seeds and hunted wild animals. Only these three sentences you have to write, okay? If you can write they made hand axes, scrappers, wooden spears which were used for hunting and gathering. They lived in caves, huts and skin tents. Okay, clear? Paleolithic period. Okay, then next, what are microliths? When were they developed? What are the microliths? When were they developed? When were they? What are microliths? Microliths are smaller, sharper and better tools than the Paleolithic period. Or microliths is already given in your new words. What are microliths? Small tools made of stone are called microliths. Or in the sentence, in what way I have given the question answer in copy, that way you write, okay? Microliths were the smaller, sharper and better tools than the Paleolithic period. When they were developed? They were developed in the Mesolithic period. Understood this, okay? What is microliths? When they were developed. What is microliths? Microliths are smaller, sharper and better tools than the Paleolithic period. When they were developed? They were developed in the Mesolithic period. Okay, only simple answer. Then next question is, how did agriculture evolve? Or how did agriculture started? How did agriculture evolve? How did agriculture evolve? That is given in the page. Take out your copy, okay? Then look the answer. How did agriculture evolve? It's quite possible that when men were hunting animals, women gathered plants and fruits from the forest. They were the ones who noticed that seeds fallen on the ground grew into plants. This led to the idea of farming, which was a turning point in early man's life. Okay, this this paragraph I have given now. How did agriculture evolve? How did agriculture start? It's quite possible that, don't write it, quite possible that when men went hunting, women gathered plants and fruits from the forest. What was the duty of the men? They went for hunting. That time women, what did they do? Women, they gathered plants and fruits from the forest. They were the one who noticed that seeds fallen on the ground grew in plants. And when the women were gathered the plants, fruits from the forest, that time they noticed that the seeds fallen on the ground grew in plants. This led to the idea of farming, which was a turning point in early man's life. And this gave them the idea of farming, and that was a turning point in early man's life. Okay, so this here you have to write. Okay, then next question, write about the following in the Chalcolithic period. Pottery, trade. Write about the following in the Chalcolithic period, pottery and trade. So Chalcolithic period we know copper stone age, pottery and trade. The answer is the people of Chalcolithic period used painted earthenware. They used earthenware, that means usually they used red and black and red, black on red colors, black and red colors they used. The pottery was painted. Some of the famous pottery items were dishes on stand, stemmed cups, spouted vases, big storage jars. Okay, once again I will explain about the pottery. Pottery means pots made of clay. The people of the Chalcolithic period used painted earthenware. That means used painted potteries. You write like this. The people of the Chalcolithic period used painted potteries. Usually red and black color they used. Some example of the pottery items are dishes on stand, stemmed cups, spouted vases, big storage jars. Okay. Then one more point is there now about trade. You have to write about trade also. What is trade? Only one sentence is given there. The Chalcolithic communities traded through barter system. In which system they traded? Through barter system. The Chalcolithic communities traded through barter system. Wheeled bullock carts were used for long distance trade besides the river transport. Wheeled bullock carts were used for a long distance trade besides the river transport. At first they used the river transport, then in addition to this river transport they used wheeled bullock carts also. Okay, through which system they traded? Barter system. Okay, so understood? Pottery, you write what are the pottery items, what are the colors they used for painting it, then write about the trade. Okay, then next, how did invention of iron change early man's life? How did invention of iron change early man's life? Okay, that two question answer I will explain tomorrow. Okay, you learn 1 to 4 question answer today. Understood? Okay, how will you learn this? Read the question and answer 2-3 times, then write in practice copy. Clear all of you? Okay, bye.